T2. Top Ships Inc. operates tankers and has a market cap of $5.26 million. The stock is down by nearly 8% today, but saw 8 times the average volume, indicating momentum-driven trading activity. Over the past year, it has struggled significantly. Currently trading at 95 cents, it is below its planned entry of $1.36, targeting $2.04 for T1 and $2.72 for T2. Exos Inc. designs and manufactures battery electric commercial vehicles with a market cap of $57.46 million. The stock moved today due to heavy volume, hitting 12 times the average as it caught momentum. Performance over the past year shows a solid increase of 101.7%. Right now, XOS is trading at $4.74, significantly below the planned entry of $8.00. The next levels to watch are T1 at $12, which is about 153.2% away, and T2 at $16, roughly 237.6% higher. Basel Medical Group Limited provides healthcare services in Singapore and currently has a market cap of $10.23 million. The stock saw a 12.27% increase today, driven by a significant surge in volume, 547 times the average. Despite a decline of 51.4% over the past year, BMGL is positioned just below its entry point of $0.674, currently at $0.54. Watch for potential targets T1 at $1.011, approximately 85.7% away, and T2 at $1.3488, which is 147.6% higher. J-Star Holding Co., Ltd. manufactures bicycles and accessories and currently has a market cap of $16.64 million. The stock declined 16.92% today, but notable volume at 15 times the average suggests strong interest. Although it has performed modestly, up 6.8% over the past year, YMAT now trades at $0.83, significantly below the planned entry of $1.5495. The next targets are T1 at $2.3243, approximately 180.0% away, and T2 at $3.099, around 273.4% higher. Robeco Inc. engages in tanker operations internationally and has a market cap of $1.71 million. Although it declined 2.78% today, unusual volume, 35 times the average, indicates keen interest. Over the past year, the stock is down nearly 99.8%, currently at 52 cents. RYOBI is well below its entry point of $0.7464. Watch T1 at $1.1196, approximately 113.3% higher, and T2 at $1.4928, which is around 184.3% away. Intercont Cayman Limited provides maritime shipping services and has a market cap of $6.48 million. Despite a slight decline of 1.25% today, it experienced unusual volume at 131 times the average. Over the past year, the stock has faced a significant downturn of 72.0%. Currently, NCT is at $3.94, above the planned entry of $3.78. Next, watch for targets T1 at $5.67, about 43.9% away, and T2 at $7.56, which is approximately 91.9% higher. C3IS Inc. offers seaborne transportation services with a market cap of $1.16 million. The stock dropped 1.83% today, but recorded a massive volume spike of 329 times the average. The past year has seen a decline of 99.1%. Currently priced at $2.14, CISS is trading below the planned entry of $2.45. Watch for next targets. T1 at $3.675, about 71.7% away, and T2 at $4.90, roughly 129.0% higher. Optimum Communications Inc. provides telecommunications services with a market cap of $426.76 million. The stock saw a modest decline of 0.91% today, with volume at 143 times the average, fueling investor interest. It has dropped 41.7% over the past year. Currently priced at $1.09, OPTU is below the planned entry of $1.1972. Look for T1 at $1.7853, approximately 63.8% away, and T2 at $2.38 over 4, around 118.4% higher. CDT Equity Inc. is a biopharmaceutical company focusing on therapeutic assets, with a market cap of $3.58 million. The stock dropped 13.41% today, but saw remarkable volume at 153 times the average. It has been hit hard, down 98.3% over the last year. CDT is currently trading at 0.74 cents, significantly below the planned entry of $2.68. Monitored targets T1 at $4.02, around 446.2% higher, and T2 at $5.36, which is approximately 628.3% away. Founder Group Limited, with a market cap of $2.03 million, provides engineering and construction solutions for solar projects in Malaysia. Today it saw heavy, unusual interest with 6x average volume, indicating momentum in a market searching for solar growth. While the stock is trending down over the past year, today's performance is noteworthy considering the 52-week range of $1.60 to $136. The price is currently at $1.77, below the planned entry of $3.02, with upside targets of $4.53 and $6.04, making it crucial to watch the entry level. Focus Universal Inc., with a market cap of $1.49 million, develops smart technologies and instruments in the U.S. Today's move saw a staggering 19 times average volume, indicating heavy interest in this microcap. Currently, the performance trend shows significant decline over the past year, with a 52-week range of $72 to $48.80. The current price of $72 is well below the planned entry of $1.65, with targets set at $1.5975 and $2.13. Clearmind Medicine Inc., valued at $4.06 million, is a clinical-stage pharmaceutical company developing psychedelic medicines. The stock experienced a remarkable 331x average volume today, suggesting significant interest and momentum. Despite a year-long trend that saw a 52-week range of $2.26 to $476, the stock price of $3.98 is above the planned entry of $3.84, with potential targets at $5.76 and $7.68. Bimergen Energy Corporation, with a market cap of $24.98 million, focuses on renewable energy projects in the U.S. Today, it saw an impressive 168x average volume, driven by momentum and trading interest. The stock has struggled over the past year, with a 52-week range of $2.13 to $13.50. The current price of $3.52 is slightly below the planned entry of $3.54, with targets at $5.31 and $7.08. Springview Holdings Ltd., valued at $12.1 million, specializes in designing and constructing buildings in Singapore. With an astonishing 4,776x average volume today, the stock surged 123.94%. It has been on a steady upward trend over the past year, trading between $1.98 and $17.41. Currently at $5.35, this is above the planned entry of $5.21, aiming for targets of $7.18 and $10.42. BioCardia Inc., with a market cap of $11.72 million, is a clinical-stage regenerative medicine company developing therapies for cardiovascular diseases. Today it enjoyed 3,506x average volume, reflecting strong trader interest. While the year has been relatively tough with a performance range from 87 cents to $2.42, the stock currently trades at $1.03, slightly above the planned entry of $1.02, with targets of $1.53 and $2.04.